Hello folks, and welcome to our fourth lesson of French. It's the fourth episode, episode 4. So let's start. We're going to talk in this episode about cardinal and ordinal numbers. Now, what is this? Well, this will be very helpful, for example, if you go in France and if you go to a shop, and you want to ask for, let's say, 2 chicken legs or 4 chicken legs or whatever. It's useful to know both cardinal and ordinal numbers. Les nombres cardinaux et ordinaux. The cardinal and ordinal numbers. Un oiseau. It means one bird. Un oiseau. Notice also the pronunciation. Un oiseau. Oiseau. Deux enfants. 2 children. Or 2 kids. Pay attention. Deux, it means 2, and it ends in X, and then the following word starts with a vowel, the vowel E, E from elephant, and that's why you pronounce it deux enfants. X becomes Z before the vowel by which the next word starts. Okay, this is called in French l'élision. This is just a side note. L'élision des voyelles, and it's marked here in blue and red by me, just so that you notice it as a pronunciation rule. Deux enfants. Un oiseau et 2 enfants. 1 bird and 2 kids. 3 arbres. 3 trees. 3, it's number 3. 4, it's number 4. 5, it's 5. Un homme d'affaires, it means 1 businessman. Un homme d'affaires, 1 businessman. 6 femmes, 6 women. 6 femmes, 6 women. 7 chaises, 7 chairs. 7 chaises. Notice the pronunciation. 7 chaises. 7 chairs. 8 crayons. 8 pencils. 8 crayons. Be careful, this H you don't pronounce it. That's why it's called a mute H. H muet. 8 crayons. Then again, 9 bœufs. 9 oxen. 9 bœufs. 10 animaux. 10 animals. 10 animaux. 10 animals. 11 doigts. 11 fingers. 11 doigts. 11 fingers. 12 carottes. 12 carottes. 12 carrots. 13 cahiers. 13 cahiers. It means 13 notebooks. For example, you might say, il y a 13 cahiers sur la table. There are, it exists, 13 notebooks on the table. Il y a, it means it exists. Il y a, it exists. There are, or it exists. So, il y a 13 cahiers sur la table. There are, it exists, 13 notebooks on the table. Then, 14 vélos. 14 bikes. 14 vélos. 14 bikes. 14 vélos, 14 bikes. 15 banknotes, 15 banknotes. 15 banknotes, 15 banknotes. Okay, 15 banknotes. Then let's consider the next one. 16 vêtements, 16 garments. 16 vêtements, 16 garments. 17 paniers, 17 baskets. 18 pommes. Then again you've got this pronunciation rule, X and a vowel or H mute, they are pronounced like Z, X becomes Z. 18 pommes. 18 apples. 19 œufs. 19 eggs. 19 œufs. 19 eggs. 20 couteaux. 20 couteaux. 20 knives. 20 couteaux. For example, le couteau, it means the knife. Un couteau, it means a knife, masculine gender. Because remember, le, it's the definite article for masculine gender nouns. Le couteau, the knife. Definite article, noun of masculine gender, the knife. Le couteau. Okay, now we're going to talk here about ordinal numbers. In French, of course. Premier garçon, it means first boy. Premier garçon, first boy. Premier garçon, first boy. Première fille, first boy, first girl. Première fille. Première fille, first girl. Deuxième garçon, deuxième fille. Second boy, second girl. Deuxième garçon, deuxième fille. Troisième garçon, it means third boy. Troisième fille, it means third girl. Quatrième, it means fourth. So already you can infer a rule for how you construct, how you build numeral, ordinal numbers in French just by adding this ending I-E-M-E with this accent, north, northwest, southeast on the E, this accent. You add it as an ending to the number. So for example, if you have quatre, you have quatrième, which means the fourth. So you have quatre, it means 4, plus this ending, which is em. Now you would be tempted to say that it gives quatrième, something like that, but it's not, because you will erase this E and it becomes quatrième, just like here. Quatrième. It will become quatrième. So the last E from elephant, it just drops when it's followed by I-E-M-E, by this ending. Sorry, the ending is I-E-M-E, and this accent that is northwest to southeast accent, it's called accent grave. Accent grave in French language. So you will see we're going to tackle French accents in the next lesson, but this accent for now you just memorize that it's called accent grave, this little sign on the E from elephant. So this is the rule that you have to remember. I'm going to mark it in red. Number plus this ending, it makes the ordinal number. So for example, you've got this, which means 10. D-I-X, it's pronounced dis, it means 10. And if you add the ending em, it means the tenth. So the tenth, it's, oops, one second, dixième, it means the tenth. So for example, dixième garçon, the tenth boy. And so on. Also, centième, it means the 100th. So also memorize this sentence. La moitié de la salle, half of the whole room. La moitié de la salle. And here you've got another type of accent that's northeast, southwest on letter E from elephant. And this accent is called accent aigu. Accent aigu. Toute la salle. It means all, the whole room, the entire whole room. Toute la salle. Toute la salle. The entire whole room. Entier. It means 1/3. Entier. It means 1/3. Okay. Entier, it means 1/3. Deux tiers, it means 2/3. 2/3. Okay. And now let's try to see what else do we have in this lesson. No, that was all. So we can stop here. Of course, in our next lesson, we are going to talk about the French accents. How many accents do you have in French language? What is their role in the pronunciation, and how do they fit in the overall grammar, orthographical structure of French language? Okay, so see you soon. Stay tuned to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. I'm going to post 2 videos a week, each week, about the French language, and I can assure you that if you stick for 1 year following my channel, you will be able to advance at least as a B1. All depends on you. Stick up to my channel. You can take screenshots from my lessons. You can pause the video, take screenshots, and then you can after the screenshots you can repeat yourself. You can write on a piece of paper all the words and vocabulary that I'm marking here, together with the pronunciation that you have to memorize, and then of course you will learn little by little French language. See you soon. Bye bye.